Good evening, all my subscribers all over the world. All my viewers all over the world, I'm saying good evening to you all. This is Master BCM TV on YouTube. Master BCM TV on YouTube from Nigeria. You are welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel before we go. If you have been watching the video since, or you are a lucky viewer, you get the opportunity of seeing the new video. Number one thing you're supposed to do is to subscribe. To Master BCM TV on YouTube, so that you can get the advantage of watching the new videos. You can get the advantage of seeing the new updatings when we are on live. When we come on live, you are going to see the notification. When we post video, we post short. People comment, people reply to comment, etc., etc. You are going to see all without leaving anyone behind. Yeah, that is why we need to subscribe. At the same time, you can get the advantage of going back into the main channel. To go back into the main channel to see the previous videos, all these evergreen videos, you can be able to go back and watch them. Yeah, let us subscribe now if you have not subscribed before. If you have subscribed before, it's only one time. They don't eat twice. They don't do it twice, only one time. Look under the video you are watching, down by the left-hand side. You will see where the right SUBSCRIB is subscribe. Use your finger to press. It will now change to subscribe with notification bell. Press that notification bell. It will now give you 3 bell option. Press the one at the top, painted white or black in color. The right AWL beside it. Press it, which means you have taken the notification. You have gotten the access to see the new videos, new short, new live, anything we do on the channel, you are going to see it. And you get the advantage of going back to go and watch the previous videos. Yeah. Please let me share the video out so that many people can get the advantage of watching the video. Please let me share it out. Our today lesson is how to use ACL manual sharpening stone on the broken super hard manual sharpening stone for professional sharpening. How to use ACL stone on the super hard manual sharpening stone, broken one. How are we going to use it? I will show you now. I will show you now. And don't forget, tutorial are still coming on these ones. We are still going to use this magnetic clipper holder. How you can use it to sharpen your different type of clipper blade with stone. We are going to do tutorial on it. At the same time, this double surface tutorial is still coming on it. But today now is how to use ACL stone on broken super hard manual sharpening stone for sharpening. This is the broken one. You see it. broken parts of the stone. You see, this one is super hard. How are we going to use it? Yeah, together with the ACL. This is ACL, you can see it. This is ACL. How are we going to use it together to sharpen clipper blade? That is why I'm telling you, always say it. Sharpening of clipper blade deal with sense, logics, tricks, techniques. Yeah, before you can achieve exactly the type of result you want. And to see get you reminded, this is the carton of that one we are using. The one they call fake ACL. People call it fake one. Very, very light. You see the carton? You see the carton? You see it? You see the carton of it? So let me put it down. How are we going to use it together with this one to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally, logically, technically? Okay, how are we going to use it? So that is why I'm telling you that we need to subscribe. We have many videos on ground that we have not even touched at all. Tutorials to bring out. There are many on the ground. Many. There are many on the ground. We'll be picking them one by one. We'll be solving the problem after the other. Yeah. Let's still watch it well. This one is super hard manner sharpening stone, very hard. Super hard manner sharpening stone. You see it? It's very, very hard. So before we go, let us clean the blade first. That's the number one thing you're supposed to first do. To clean the back of the blade, we want to use to prepare the blade down. So when we have prepared the blade down, we now start the tutorial. We apply the masking tape at the back. No masking tape, we apply it at the back. We are going to sharpen for tapper and Starex. You can still use kerosene to remove it. After using kerosene, you can use clean rag to clean it off. You can still use your clean rag to clean it off without kerosene, anyone you prefer. You see it? Don't always forget, you see the way I preserve my masking tape in the nylon. You see it always. Once you are not using it, you protect the gum from drying up, especially during the harmattan or sunny time, when everywhere gets hot. Can be during harmattan. You see the way I'm protecting it. So I just bring it out anytime I want to use it. Anytime I want to use it. Let me see whether the camera can pick it. Yeah, the camera can pick it. So I want to apply the grid. That is GRID, grid. That is application of masking tape at the back of the blade. I call it grid or gridding. You try to apply it neatly. I want to apply it first before I show you, so that I don't want this tutorial to be too long. I want it very short, so that within shorter period of time we have closed. I don't want it to go far. We bring out the details immediately. We do whatever we want to do. Then we go to another, because I still have about 2 or 3 videos I'm working on the media. So I'm not producing only tutorials. I'm still producing for media and the comedy. So I'm trying to arrange it very well. It's very, very important all this thing I'm doing. Very, very important. You must have to do it accurately. You can still do it better than the way I'm doing it. Let me show you the GTS clipper blade. This is the top clipper blade for GTS. You leave this area untouched. You see the way I leave it. Don't use masking tape to cover the mouth. Then look at this one too. You can do it to cover up well than this one, better than this one. But don't let it cover the mouth. You see this one is starless clipper blade. You can see it like this. You shouldn't allow it to cover the mouth. It's blunting. You see it. You see it. Now after using the masking tape finished, you return it back. In my environment now, it seems there is a small harmattan. Once you leave it open, it's going to dry up. The gum will not be very effective again. When you just use it, you will not have enough power. You see it? Let me put it here. Let me see whether the camera can pick it. Yes. The camera can still pick it. Yeah. You see it like this. This is the ACL. This is the stone we are going to use. You can see, let me show you again. It's a broken stone, which if many people see it, they will just throw it away, or they will just look it, remove their eyes again, be going. They won't pick it. You see, it's very rough before. I was the one that make it clean like this. Very, very dark, black color. You see? So this is the stone we are going to use for sharpening. Then to still remind you about this ACL. The ACL Super Admiral Sharpening Stone, we have it in 3 different types or 2. So how do you want to know which one is heavy? You feel it. When you go to the market, let them bring different for you, then you feel it in hand like this. You use the most light one. The one is very, very light. There's someone heavier than this one. You see it? You use the light one. And don't forget, any place you have opened the surface, see the area we have opened it now, started using it. This area you'll be using. You don't go this area, it will now be extending little by little, going inside, expanding to the other side. That is how it's going to be going little by little. Then before we go, I want to explain the way we want to sharpen the clipper blade on this small stone. This is the stone we are going to use. You see, this is the stone we are going to use. You see like this. I will soon zoom out, but I want to explain something first. You see it. Let me zoom out a little so that you can be able to see it well. Let me zoom out a little. Let me zoom out so that you can be able to see it. Let me zoom out. Yeah, I want it to be bigger so that when I'm trying to explain something, you can be able to see it very well. Yeah, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Yeah, this is we are going to use the total area for each sharpening. This is the total area. You can see it now. This is the total space on the stone. You see like this. So we are going to use the total area. Let me put one blade here to demarcate so that it can be seen the stone very well, because it has the same color with the one under. So let me put one blade under like this. Yeah, it's showing like this. You can be able to see it very well. This is the stone we are going to use. So when we want to start now, we remove the two blades there. So this is the surface we are going to use. So as I'm telling you, this one is a very strong stone. Very, very strong stone. Very, very hard. Stubborn to sharp. Heavier in the hand. And when it falls down, it's not easily broken. It is not easily broken. Yeah, it's through a heavy fall that can make, or you knock something like hammer, heavy hammer, you knock it on it, it's going to break to pieces. But just nearly fall, it cannot break. You pick it up again. I mean this type. This is the one on the ground, so this one's on the ground. They are the same type. So we are going to use the whole surface to sharpen. When we are sharpening for the first side, we use the whole surface of the stone. When we are sharpening for the second side of the blade, we use the whole part of the stone again, the stone surface. You see like this. Then let me describe for you how are we going to calculate the area to place our thumb. How are we going to get it? I will continue repeating that thing because many viewers are joining the program. I can see it through the YouTube studio. Today, this evening now, new viewers almost getting to about 87%. New viewers, 87%. Why casual 87 remain 13? Why regular one is 0.3? Still maintain that 0.3. The remaining percentage is for the casual. So it is from there you will see that every day by day, many people, new people are joining, watching the program. Many people, we have new ones almost every day. New people watching the program, increasing every day by day. Those who watched yesterday or in the morning, they are still with us. Another new people has joined again. The YouTube studio is telling me I used to go through it every day. And now I used to go to see the changes. So it's around 87% now for the new viewers. So I want to show you how you want to calculate where to place your thumb at the back of the blade. This is the blade now. You see it. This is the inner surface of the blade. This is the back of it. This is the front of it where it lays on the surface of the bottom clipper blade. From here to here now, just to say from here like this area to here, this is the center. You see it? So when you turn it like this is the center of the blade. Like this. Then when you turn it the other way around, this is the center again. You see it? This is the center again. You can see this is the center. Then let me put it on the surface here so that I can be able to see properly. Watch like this. You divide the blade into two like this. You divide it into four like this. Watch carefully. You divide it into two. You divide it into four. Then from here like this to this side, this is the center. From here like this to the center, this is the center where you place your thumb. You place your thumb like this for this side. You place your thumb like this for the other side. You shouldn't allow this one to fall into the other part, and you shouldn't allow this one to fall on this part. You want to sharpen accurately. So that is the way to get where you are going to place your thumb for the upper clipper blade. Then for the bottom clipper blade, I will show you now. Many people get it wrong here. Watch carefully. Look at the back of the blade. This is where the upper clipper blade is staying. Together here in the front, here in the back. From here to here now, we find the center here. You see this is the center. When you turn it like this, This is where the center is. You see like this. Then for this side, this is the center again. You divide to 2, you divide into 4. But this area try to calculate. You can see that we use the area where the upper clipper blade lays here at the back and the front to calculate the center, not from here. It is not calculated from here to here. When you calculate from here to here, it's going to be around this area. It's going to be around this, and it's wrong. In my own shop, the way I calculate this is the area, this is the center. Then you turn it in this way. This is the center again. You see it? So the back like this. This is, let's go down like this. So you divide it into 2 like this. Then you divide it into 4. You see like this. Then you now calculate from center here to the side. This is the center where you place your thumb. From side here to the center, this is the center where you place your thumb here. So it will now be like this and like this. You see it like this, like this. Let me return this one back to where I picked them. This one too, let me return it back so that it will not be falling anyhow. Yeah. Now, I've told you, if you want to sharpen the first side of the blade, you are going to use the whole surface of the stone because it's too small for learners. I can divide it into 2 and use it. But for learners who are trying to know how to sharpen the clipper blade, let us use, for one side, let us use the whole surface. For second side, let us use the whole surface. For the upper clipper blade, for the starless bottom clipper blade, for tapper bottom clipper blade too. So we are going to use the same system and see how it's going to work. Purposely, this one is that make us to do the tutorial how to use the ACL, because many of these stones I used to show you. This is biscuit bone. So many think it's a small stone. I bought it like this, bigger like this before. This one is bigger like this before. At the same time, let me take the other one. You see, there are 3 number. This one too is as big as this one. Every day working, every day using, that makes them to reduce into this size. You see them? So let me pack them one side. Then this is one we are going to use in replacing the 2. This one is biscuit bone now. We have made the sign there so that we will not do mistake in using the other side or the other surface. We don't do mistake. We should use the same place for scrubbing. Then before we go, we are going to clean the surface of the blade. That's number 1 thing. I'm coming. You clean the surface. This is the rag I use. You clean the surface. That's number 1 thing. Then after, this is our engine oil, new engine oil. While I'm showing this, many people, new people are joining every day by day. Many new faces are joining almost every day by day. We need to be showing it. This is engine oil, new one. Motor engine oil, not this engine, no, motor, petrol engine. New oil, new engine oil. You now drop it on the surface. You can see like this. You drop it. Let me show you. You see the way I drop it. Then you now take your biscuit bone. Yeah, you see where we put the sign. This is where the usage just started. We use it in the afternoon time. We open the surface just to say in the morning time. We use it in the morning time. This is where we open the surface. Yeah, let us go now. You see the way I want to hold. You see, I hold this stone not to be dragging up and down. You can hear the sound. You see the way I'm doing it. Let me show you now. You can see the surface now. Compare it to these areas. It has opened surface here. This area like this, it has opened. That's the area we'll be using little by little. It will be chopping, reducing little by little. Before it's now turned to this kind one again. You see it. It doesn't take time. Oh, it doesn't take much time because of practicing almost every day. Practicing, sharpening paper blade for commercial, for private, practicing. You see tutorial every day. Before thing qualifies, now it's going to reduce. So after this one now, we now apply kerosene. This one is kerosene new one. You see it, ordinary kerosene neat one. Then don't use condemned oil. I mean black oil, don't use it. Now you take your finger to spread it. You tap, you see it to spread. You tap to spread. You tap to spread. Yeah, let me show you now. See the way it is? That is what I call activating the surface. How to activate the stone surface. We have activated it now to make it very, very active. Easily to chop irons very well. Now we are going to start from the upper clipper blade. Don't forget, we are going to use angle 45 degree. This is our angle 45 degree in sharpening. This is angle 45 degree. When you put it straight line like this is 0, this is 180. When you go upright, this is angle 90. Angle 90 divided by 2 is angle 45 degree. You see it? This is how I managed to get the direction, angle 45 degree. So I don't copy anybody in my own work. I form them by myself. So I'm using them, they are working for me. So we are going to divide the blade into two now. As usual, like this. Like this. We are going to sharpen here first. Then we used to cover the whole surface. We are going 20 times. I hold the stone not to be dragging up and down. You see it? That's for the first side. You clean the back of the blade. You reapply the chemical again. You see like this. You see it. Then here again. (20-20) to and fro 20 times one side, to and fro 20 times the other side. The pressure, the way I press it down, have to be the same in the two sides. Let me still show you the way I press it down like this. For one side, I have to be the same proportion to the other side like this, the way I press it down. Not that you press here too much, you now press the other side lightly, or you press here too much, you press the other side lightly. You have to press them in the same way. The same way. So let me reclean it and show you now. You see it now? So we have gotten the total flatness and total shining across. You see it? That is the correct way to sharp. So that's why I'm saying, if you can try as much as you can, subscribe to this channel, you press the notification button, then those things, two things you do, subscribe and notification, will let you go back to watch many videos in the back. You can be able to watch previous videos. I don't have old videos, previous one, evergreen videos, they are there. So I cannot be producing the whole type again. We are producing series of videos, different types. The one we produced in the past are still useful till the end of the life. Still go and watch them. Now we are sharpening for upper clipper blade for starters, remain for the tapper. So if you want to go again, the oil is on the surface. We don't need to apply oil again, or we apply little. Let us apply small. You see, it's just small. The same surface we use. Let me see, show you again. This is the area you're going to use again. You see, you are hold the stone not to be dragging away. You see like this. Then you see it in this way. After you apply your kerosene to cover the whole surface, I used finger last time. I can blow it now. You see it has covered up. Let me show you. I just blow it. You see it has covered up. You place it down again. Then we take the upper clipper blade for tapper clipper blade, the same angle, 45 degree. Then when we, let me see, show you again, so confusion will not come for some people. Some people have get it right, while some people are new. You see like this. So when you are sharpening this side, you cover the whole surface. When you are sharpening this side, you cover the whole surface. Then you place it at the angle of 45 degree. You see it in this way. 0, 180. This is 90. This is 45. You see it. Let us go 20 times. I'm sorry. What's the problem? What's the problem? You are going to reapply. It may still happen to you. You need to correct it. So nobody's above mistake. That is why you are trying to become a professional. When you do mistake, you correct yourself. Twenty times. Twenty times, 20 times each for one side. Then when you want to clean your blade, look at it very well from center like this to the front. You clean from center to front. Don't come from the front to the center. You see it like this. From center like this to front. You see like this. That's how they clean blades. Then the backhoe, now you can do it in this way. You see where I'm going. You follow it up. Then this front one, don't follow it up like this. We are going to spoil the blade. From the center, front. You see the way I'm doing it. I clean it to the front. So let me bring it nearer to the camera. Let me bring it nearer to the camera. You can see it. I'm coming. Something has failed there. Where is the blade? Oh, okay. Let's still watch this one again. You can see it. You see it like this. You see it. So we've gotten the total flatness and total shining across. You see it in this way. You see it like this. Watch carefully. So when you sharpen your clipper blade finish, make sure you are recording it so that when you are watching like this, you can be able to observe it very well. It will still help you. It will still help you because some people cannot look with ordinary eyes to get this thing well. But when you put it under camera, the camera will show it to you very well. You see it like this. So this one too is done well. Then let us go for the starless clipper blade, bottom clipper blade, starless bottom clipper blade. Let us go for that one. Starless bottom clipper blade. This one is starless bottom clipper blade. We are sharpening this one next. Then we drop little oil again. Don't let it be plenty. Then the same stone we use like this. This area we use. That's the area we'll be using. Don't forget, don't turn it to another place. You see the surface? Then you apply your kerosene to cover For small stone and you can blow it. You see it has cover up. Then this is a starless clipper blade. The same direction again, angle 45 degree. You see it like this. Don't forget, you divide it into 2, you divide it into 4. So when you are sharpening this side, you cover the whole stone. When you sharpen this side, you cover the whole stone. Let us go now. This one, the first one is 20 times for the copper. Then starlex now will be, let's do it 25 times for here, 25 times for here. That's 25 times. I'm sorry, that is 14. You master what you are counting. Oh. $25. Let me clean it and get it closer to the camera. Let us watch carefully. Let us watch carefully. You can see it now. So the reason why I'm using all these kind of stones, new ones, some people have challenged that I get special stone I'm using. Say maybe I got it through the company specially made that is not available in the market. That is why I went to the market to buy all these ones I'm using. There are plenty here. Let me show you them. Let me show you for the new one. For the new ones, this one we are using now. This is the carton for this one. You see it. This is the carton for this one. Then we have them here. You see this one. You see this one. You see here. So each one is 2,500. You see like this. So let me show you the remaining so that you will take your eyes to see it. It is not anything special there, nothing special. I go to the market and buy them the same place we go. So I don't order this thing from a company. No, I don't order it. You see it, this is the one. For you to know that there is stone inside, not ordinary carton. So I bought them yesterday, 5 of them. So we'll be using them for tutorial. They are doing different type of works. I see them. Different type of works they are doing. So we'll be using them one by one. That is why I always beg people to subscribe and press the notification button. So that the moment I come on live, I don't inform anybody to come on live. I may put tomorrow there, do it today. But once you subscribe, you press the notification button, you are going to see that live. Anytime I come on live, you are going to see it. But when you don't subscribe, or you subscribe, you don't press the notification button, you will not see the new ones. Ask anybody. When you subscribe to the channel, then you press the notification button, you press the top one, painted white or black in color. They write AWL beside you when you press it, which means anytime I come on live, the notification will come. Anytime, midnight, morning, afternoon, evening, anytime. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to Friday, any day, any month, I come on live, you are going to see the notification without searching for it. So let me return this carton. So we have long way to go. I'll be showing you one by one, because as I used to say, some of the people are using the stone is a wider field, which many people don't know. They think it's just ordinarily to put the blade on the stone like this. You just sharp. You just put it, you sharpen finish. Yeah, it's okay. Many things surrounded the sharpening. Sharpening of clipper blade, sharpening of the stone, using of the stone, sharpening of the clipper blade on the stone, then using of the stone, designing the surface of the stone. Many things surrounded it. Many things. You will see as you continue doing the tutorial, it will not end. Many tutorials are on ground. We will never touch at all. So you need to subscribe and press the notification button so that I can be able to see the new videos. When I come on live, you see it. You see the way I'm doing it. Let me show you again. You can see it. Then you return this one, return it, then you apply your kerosene. You see like this. Then this one is tapper clipper blade. This one is bigger blade. You see it. So we went this one 20 times each for one side. This bigger one 25 times each for one side. Then this one we go 30 or 35 or 40. Let us go 40 times. 40 times. The same measurement again, angle 45 degree. Let me still show you so that confusion will not come. Like this, like this. When you sharpen here, you cover the whole surface of the stone. When you cover sharpen here, you cover the whole surface of the stone. The way you press it down here have to be the same the way you press it here. Then the number of to and fro counting you count for here have to be the same with here too. The way you apply your oil for this one have to be the same with here too. Yeah. Let us go now. That is 40 times. 40. So let us lubricate it again. I blow it to cover up. I blow it. The same way you treated for one side, you have to do for the other side. You see, we have done for here 40 times. So we are coming here 40 times. The way I press it down here have to be the same with here. To and fro have to be the same. The way we apply the oil on the surface of the stone have to, for here have to be the same with the other side too. Let us go. Forty times. So 40 times for one side, 40 times for the other side. Yeah, we are still going back again. I will show you something now. We are still going back. Let me show you how this one is. Let us watch carefully. I want you to see, to look, watch something by the center. Yeah, watch like this. You see that we get dark areas here. These areas, you get dark area inside the small blade. It is this thicker blade here, and the back of it here plenty. That's having the shiny. You see it, yeah, very good. See it in this way. The inside here is black. The stone has not touched it. The stone has not touched it at all. So we are still going to repeat it again. We are going to repeat it. So for the back of the stone now, we have gotten the oil at the back. Let us just soak it like this, not to waste the oil. You see like this, not to waste the oil. Now remain to apply the biscuit bone. You see it. Blow it. So we are going for a second time. 40 times again. Times. You need to be counting very well. You put it in mind. $40 now. You apply the surface again. So we are going for the second side again. That will be 40 times 2 to clean the back of the blade. – 40 times each again. making 80 times each for one side. Let me still watch again. Yeah, it's changing. Let me show you so that I can see the difference there. You can see the difference on the surface. Yeah, you can see the difference. So I can see the difference there. I want to fashion it the way I did the other time. Though it's very, very faint, the remaining area. When you check inside here like this area remains small. But okay, yes, you can see it now. This dark area, faintly dark area, faintly dark area. You can see like that. You know, this area is shining. This area has been covered. Look at this very well. Starting from this area has been covered. You see it? So let us still repeat it again. Let us repeat it again. Yeah, oh my God. Let me see whether the oil, we still have oil at the back. No need to apply oil again. Yeah. Then we use the biscuit bone. You see it? You see like this? So let us clean the back very well. Forty times. You see the masking tape has removed though. 37. Remain 3. You still have to repeat that 3. There will be no difference there. You need to repeat it. So let me use dry rag to clean it very well. To clean my fingers too. You see it. Don't forget, see the way I protect my masking tape. You shouldn't forget. Don't leave it open. Yeah, let us complete the remaining 3. Yeah. Let me see you now. That is why I'm saying when you are practicing, you don't need to rush. That is why I do it one step after the other without rushing at all. So when you can copy me the way I'm doing it, surely you are going to get it within tickle of eyes. You can see like this. So the clipper blade is sharpening correctly now. You can see it. I'm telling you sincerely, if you use sharper, this is how it's going to be. You are going to get the same type of result the way I'm doing it. I'm not talking about another person who know the way I'm doing it. When you continue using sharper now, you can see we'll be do comparison between sharper and the stone. I use hand, I use the sharper, I use hand, I use the sharper. So we are going to see the difference between the two. You will see that there's no difference there when you know how to use them properly. Using of stone is good. Using of electric clipper stepping machine, that's the sharper, it's always good. The two are giving the best of the service. They give out the best of the service. The two are good. So I'm even advising the whole public to have the two. You have your tapper and sharper, and still at the same time you still have for your super hard manner sharpening stone. It's compulsory so that you practice on the two. Then let me see, check whether we can go on this one. Let me show you one stone here for the newcomers. I will show you. I'm coming. Okay, look at these three designs. This one is brighter. Second, this is the third one. You see it like this. This one is deeper or deepest, deeper, deep in color. Their work are different. Different stones are there, and they bear the same name. You see this one. This is Noto. Then you see Sele Jones inside. When they say Sele Jones, it's still the same thing as Noto. When they say Noto, it's still the same thing as Sele Jones. So we still have a great things to do on these stones to show you the difference, how you are going to use them, what you are going to use them for. One by one, we'll be showing you. So this one, this is the carton for this one. This is the dullest one, the most light one. You see it, the most light one. Then the difference between the special stone. This is the special stone. This green one, this one brown one is a biscuit bone. You see it? This one is thicker than this one, but in weight, they look almost the same. And when you look at the bigness, this one is bigger than this one. This one has been chopped very well. This one is nearly been used. I just started today. You see like this. And this, or just yesterday or today. See this one now. It has been a long time I've been using it, more than a year. But when you feel the weight, they're almost the same. Even this one is a little bit higher than this one. When you feel it well, this one is a little bit, and you see the thickness. This one is thicker than this, but when we compare it to, look at here itself, the same thing. And no, you see, this one is bigger than this one. When you watch the other side here, sit like this. You can sit in this way. Look at it in this way. You see the difference there. But this one too still heavier than this one when you feel it. So that is different between the special stone and the biscuit bone. I call this one biscuit bone, BISCUIT space BONE, biscuit bone or catalyst, CATALYST, catalyst stone. So you need to know the difference between them. Then like this one now, let us use to make the surface still. Let's do the sharpening it again. The moment you see like this, we have sharpened it correctly. The moment you use it to drag the surface like this, it has done. Cannot cut here again. The way I did it. When you sharpen your clipper blade correct, do it in that way. It will not cut again. I've done it again like this. This one too, I've done it. It cannot cut again. I don't know whether you can see it. Oh, you can't see it very well. And we still repeat it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. You see the way I hold this one now? You use to drag like this. You use this one again. When you put them on the engine, you test them. They're not going to work again. Then this one too, when you sharpen them correctly, you drag it on the stone like this. You drag this one on the stone. When you test them on the clipper engine, they will not cut again. You have drawn the surface. Let us apply the fine surface on it. This one is a grinding paste. It's having two sides. This is the second side. We have one fine surface or smooth surface. This one is Squash. Let me remove the, I'm sorry. You see it, this is squash. Quartz end. You see it, quartz surface, quartz grinding paste. Mechanic people are using it to grind the valve of engine, either generator, petrol engine, motor, diesel engine, caterpillars. This is what they use. Then this is the fine side of it. Let me place this one here. This one is squash. This one is powerful. This one is smooth. You see it like this. This one is smooth. You see the surface. This is paste. The other one is stronger than this one. So let us use this one on the surface of this and see how effective it's going to be. Let me just take small out of it. You can still use this one on the stone. Just take small. You see, like, don't take it plenty low. It can spoil the surface of your stone if you don't know how to use it. It will chop the surface of your stone anyhow. You see the way I'm applying it? You apply to spread. You first apply it before applying the oil. You see like this? You apply first before you apply the oil. You let it cover the whole surface of the stone. You see it in this way. You see the way I'm doing it? Yeah, let me brush the remaining one here. Let me clean my finger. Then after now, we apply the oil to cover. Not too much. Then you take your biscuit bone. This is the biscuit bone. Or you can see it this way. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let me go back a little bit to be in the center, so that if you want to zoom in or zoom out, it can be proper. Yeah, it's okay like this. You see it? You see like this? You see? You apply your kero, you blow it to cover up. You see like that? Then let us start from the upper clipper blade. Times. Let me show you. Look at it. Very, very neat. Very, very neat. You can see it. So neat. You see like this? Very, very neat. You can see it. So let me drop it down. Let me go for the second one. This one now, you don't need to be applying the paste. Only one time you apply it. It will sharpen many clipper blades. You only be using your biscuit bone on it. See like this. The oil is still on top. Use your biscuit bone. It will last very well. You can use to sharpen like 6 set of clipper blade or 5. See the way I blow it to cover up. Then I clean my fingers and thumb. Then which one I sharpened just now? Okay, this is the one I sharpened just now. Let me sharpen the second one. That is 20 times. Let me show you this one again. Look at it again. If you sharpen clipper blade very, once you look at it, you are going to see it very, very neat. Total flatness, total shining across. Those are the 2 things we need. Once you get it like this, it's going to work like a new clipper blade, like a new one. You see like this. Then let us go for the bottom clipper blade for Starex. I don't want to keep late today. We just do it. Oh, okay, we have the oil at the back here. Don't let me waste the oil. Then we use the biscuit bone. Don't forget this side. You see like this. Just go for Starex. $30. This is 30 times again. Let me show you. Let me bring it now to the screen. Just watch now. You can see it now. The moment you follow the procedures, you are going to get it right. But if you don't watch different type of videos, don't just base only one. When you watch the new ones, I've opened the old ones down. I've removed them from membership many. Go back and watch them to gain more knowledge. You see, you need to study, you need to know many things surrounding the clipper blade before you can say you'll be sharpening successfully. You have to know many things surrounding it so that when mistake comes, you can be able to correct yourself. You may not have anybody to assist you there, but the video will assist you when you watch different type of videos, different type of errors, how the error comes, how you get to know the error, how you test for error, then how you can clear the error out, how to solve the problem. Go and watch different type of videos. When you have known them very well, when you start your sharpening, you won't come back again. That is no going back. It will not decline you again. Some people will say, I have sharpened last month, today I cannot sharpen again. It's not good like that. So let's go for the tapper clipper blade. Forty times. Forty times. You see 36. Remain 4. You still have to repeat it. You see the way I protect my masking tape. Always protect it. Always. Don't put it empty. Don't just leave it on the table or on the chair or on the ground. The masking tape, the gum there will disappear. And the moment the gum cannot work again, you cannot enjoy your sharpening. Seriously speaking, I always protect my own. It has become part of my character to protect it. All my instruments, protect them. You see like that? remain 4 times. Yeah, let me show you now. Let me show you very well. You see it now? You see it? That's the professional way of using the super hard manner sharpening stone to sharpen the clipper blade varieties. You get the same type of result. The same type of result. You get it. You see it like this? So this one too is sharpened correctly. So try to subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed before, press the notification button. When you press the notification button, now go back to the main channel. Go and watch the previous video. I don't have old videos. All are evergreen videos, everlasting videos. You watch them, watch and rewatch. There are many there, almost of us getting to 700 pieces. So watch different type of videos for you to be able to know how to sharpen the clipper blade very well. So let me zoom in again. Let me zoom in so you can see the whole table. Yeah. You are once again. You are back to the channel again. Please, if you have not subscribed before, subscribe. Press the notification button. You can be able to see me on live whenever I come. It's very important. On this channel, I'm saying, I'm not talking about another channel. On this channel, you must subscribe if you want to see the videos. This one now, immediately I finish now, all this concrete tutorial, if you don't watch it lively, you are going to use money to watch it. I will always say it. So, okay, good night. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow again.